Hello students, how are you? Inshallah today we're going to explain I'm going to explain page 6 and 7, yes, on your class book. Let's do the first one together. Read and match. Look at these postcards from some of the IKC children who went on a holiday. They sent postcards to their friends. Read the messages and match the pictures on the front of each postcard to the messages on the back. Now you need to read the messages and match the pictures. For example, we have 4 pictures and 4 messages or postcards. Now you don't have to read the whole message. No, you only need to find 2 words or 1 word. For example, let's do the first one together. Or let's first, if you noticed, in each picture we have name, like for example Jibreen Fort, New Zealand, Mexico, Taj Mahal. Now we'll do the first one together. We have Jibreen Fort. Now I will only scan. I will only what? Scan for Jibreen Fort. So quickly scan for Jibreen Fort. Is there any Jibreen Fort? No. Okay, let's move to message B. Jibreen Fort. Yes, we have Jibreen Fort. So you will match number 1 with B. Okay? Okay, now let's do the second one together. Read and answer. Read these questions and then quickly read the messages on the postcards and find the answers. So before you answer the questions, you need to know what you are looking for. For example, let's do the first one. Where did Peter go for his summer holiday? Now the question says, or interested in Peter. We need to find Peter first. So let's find, where is Peter? Here we have Muna, here is Peter. So the answer will be from message B, will be from B. Now the question says where. So whenever we have where, the answer will be place. So we are looking for a place. Where did Peter go? We need a place. For example, he go to Saudi Arabia, he went to Mexico, he went to New Zealand, maybe he went to Oman. Find the answer. Let's read. Dear mom, I'm having a wonderful time in Oman. Yesterday I went to the fun fair in Muscat. So we have 2 places, Oman and Muscat. It's okay if you write Muscat or Oman, it's okay. The answer will be correct. Okay, let's do the second one. Who did Muna stay with on her holiday? So now we have first Muna. Where is Muna? Muna in message or postcard A. Now the answer says who. So we are looking for person. Maybe who did Muna stay with? Maybe she stayed with her mother or her father or her aunt and uncle. You need to find the answer. Okay, question 3. What was the weather like in New Zealand? Now you already know what postcard talks about New Zealand. Okay, I'm not going to tell you the answer. The answer says what was the weather like. So we need to find what was the weather like. Maybe it was cold, maybe it was hot, maybe it was dry. You need to find it. The same thing. Let's go for question 4. Who bought a sombrero for their granddad? So here we don't have no name like Muna and Peter. The key word is sombrero. You need to find first where is sombrero and then analyze the question. Who bought? You need to find a person that he bought a sombrero for their granddad. Last question. What places did Muna visit in India? In India. And you already know Which postcard talks about India? Okay. Okay, now let's do activity number 3. Read, think, and sort. Read the postcards again. Find these sentences and match each one with one of the topics in the stamp. Okay. Read the postcards again. Okay, you need to read it again. Find these sentences. Which sentences? Those sentences from 1 to 8. And match each one with one of the topics. Now we have 4 topics: clothes, famous places or buildings, food, and the weather. Okay, let's do the first one together. I bought my granddad a hat called a sombrero. It is huge. Now we need to find the same sentence in which postcard. For example, this sentence we can find it in postcard C here. I bought my granddad a hat called a sombrero. It is huge. Now we find it. Now we need to sort it. Which of the topics? Now we have hat, and you know what we mean by hat. So hat, is it weather? Is it food? Is it building or places? No, it's clothes. So we will match. Let's do the second one. The same will do for the second one and the third and the fourth. Okay? And the rest. You will find the same sentence in each postcard, and then you need to sort it. Okay?